Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online tips and tutorials. So as usual, I do reviews of survey sites and best survey sites in particular. So today I just came across Coinsbaron from a member who showed me how it operates from my Telegram group. So let's go to the point, to the video. So basically it's like it's a copyright of Freecash. So what you do, just click register here, just click register. You make an account for yourself using username, whatever, just the normal stuff you do in creating survey accounts, or you can log in using your Google, your Gmail. So after done that, just go back to login and you log into your account. You can log in direct. So let me try to log into my account. This is the normal verification setup to avoid bots. So it's a pretty easy site and a very good alternative for Freecash. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. They have activities bar like in Freecash. They have a chat section just like in Freecash. You see, they're almost the same with Freecash in everything, the chats and everything. Then if you want to earn now, just click start earning and start earning. You're going to see the recommended offers. Those people like completing offers like go to bank offers, game offers. They have a ton of them, so you're in the right place. Recommended offer walls, they have AdGet Media, Revenue, Review and Asset Media. I don't want to open this particular offer walls. Maybe later on I'll do a video about how to work on Review wall on Coinsbaron, Asset Media on Coinsbaron. But for now, just taking you a short review video on how they operate, type of offer walls they need, the best offer walls to work on. For example, the best offer walls to work on here is Review, Asset Media and AdGet Media. No, Review and Asset Media are very good. Also, you can try Offertoro, OneAds, very nice, AdGame. All these offer walls are very good. If you're a good survey taker, you can go to them. And when you're working on Coinsbaron, they review completed surveys manually. So for example, let me show an example. You see here, I did a survey on InBrain 19 hours ago here, but my survey is awaiting acceptance. So here they say that you finish a survey, this ID for 492 coins, but it has to be checked and approved by staff member before you will get credited. So if you use a jumper and this duration they wait for to verify your submitted survey, your survey got a chargeback, you're going to get your account banned because they know that you're using a jumper. So if in case you decide to work on Coinsbaron, this is only good for people who do manual surveys. It's good for people who don't use jumpers. So you can see from my example here, I completed a survey 19 hours ago. I'm still waiting for it to be credited so that I can continue working on the site. You see? Yeah, it's very, and it usually happens in your first few surveys. But if you get your good survey history with them, I guess they will be now reviewing your cash outs. They will now be reviewing your completed surveys almost instantly. But for new signings like myself, I completed my first survey 19 hours ago, but still is under waiting acceptance because it has to be reviewed by the survey by their staff members. So, but aside from that, they have very good points per survey, and they are very good. They are similar to Freecash, but more strict because they do payout. They process their payouts manually, and they also monitor completed surveys. So if you're a new signing, and you don't have a good survey history on their site, except a delay in your completed surveys. So the survey that I showed you, I completed this one. I did on Bitrabs, but also they have Porfish, Bitrabs, and Theorem. You unlock Theorem at level 5. So that's it about. Then they have various challenges. For example, here I can claim this reward since I completed 2 surveys. You see, I completed 2 surveys on Imbrain, so I have a reward. So complete 10 surveys on any wall, you get 150 EXP, and coins, and 500 coins. Only coins earned in offers and surveys above 10 coins count towards the challenge. So they have various challenges here to help boost members' income, and also to encourage people to do surveys and offer hours on their site. You can also invite people and get rewarded. So invite 2 people to join using your unique referral link. Only people that finish survey count. So if you invite people and they finish surveys, you get points there. So I will also post my link there on my video description. If you want to join using my link, it's okay. If you don't want to join my link, it's okay. So you can also join their Discord. Link your Discord account with the Coinsbaron website and also get 30 EXP. You also get 30 EXP points. And if you join their Discord, if you have any issue, you can contact them directly there. So those are the offer walls, the surveys they offer. Now let's go to, if you want to cash out now, just click withdraw here. Just withdraw. This is the best part. They pay in cryptocurrency. So cash, withdraw cash. Either you can withdraw cash, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies directly to your account. So they have PayPal, and the minimum is 5,000 points. That's around $5, I guess. Then they have minimum 300 points for minimum 300 for Bitcoin, 30 cents. For Litecoin is 200 points. That's around 20 cents. It's a very good minimum withdrawal limit. Those people who rake cards, they have Visa card, which is they are adding Visa card. It's coming soon. Then they have Google Play and Apple iTunes card. So they have other gift cards down there. You can go through them. They have Amazon, among others. For those who like gaming, they have cards for gamers there. You see, yeah. And also they have they offer rewards, which I showed you earlier about daily bonuses. For example, day 1 I claimed my 10 bonus. So if I log in tomorrow again, I'll claim my 2nd day bonus. So that's all about Coinsbaron. It's similar to Freecash in so many ways. You can also earn through spinning. It's more like a gambling. Yeah. And also they have a leaderboard. If you're a good survey taker or you're very good in completing whatever offers, you see your name among the top people earnings here. See the leaderboard. All the top earners appear in the leaderboard, and they have a prize for the top 10 or something. I forgot to tell you guys that let's see here, the withdraw. If you withdraw any amount after they approve your points and you're now you meet the minimum requirement for withdraw. For new accounts, they take around 12 to 24 hours for your cash out to be sent to your address. And if you reach level 50, if you make your account to reach level 50, you'll be receiving your cash out instantly. So it's a very good site. So basically that's all about Coinsbaron. Have a look at it. If you're a good manual survey taker, go through it, do your surveys diligently, and even if they take long to approve your payout, your earned coins, you can be guaranteed that if you did survey manually, you're definitely going to get your coins. So as I wait the next video, I'll show you how to withdraw as I wait for my completed surveys to be accepted and credited to my account. After they do that, I'll do a video on how to withdraw from Coinsbaron. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.